Hi, welcome to the channel. Here we have a Renault engine, as you can hear. I'll be quiet for a minute. You can hear it ticking over okay. But when you rev it, this is what happens. Well, that is down to lack of fuel. So it's either your fuel pressure regulator or your fuel pump is a little bit weak and not pumping enough fuel. So it'll tick over quite nicely. As soon as you hit the throttle, it'll start doing what that's just done then. Right, so you need to find your fuel pump. Most cars are under the rear seat. You just pull the rear seat up and you'll see like a big round black cover, most probably. Pull that off and you're going to see this. Now this has only got one pipe coming into it, so that means the fuel regulator is actually built into the fuel pump. If you've got two fuel pipes, two black pipes coming into this, your fuel regulator is on your fuel rail on the engine. So if you put the ignition on, you should actually hear the fuel pump running. This one was running very, very weakly. So I've just taken it out, and here is what the fuel pump looks like. So if you look at this big silver thing here, that's your fuel pressure, which you need that. And also the pump's obviously got to be working quite well, quite a strong pump. This is a cheap aftermarket one someone's already put on this car. So I've just got one from a scrapyard, genuine one, for like a £5. And this is what it sounds like now. And when you remove the fuel pipe from the fuel pump, the little black pipe, you should get there should be some pressure there. It should go psh, a bit of fuel should squirt out, so be careful. If it doesn't, you know your regulator and the pump's knackered. Okay, and also when you take the fuel pump out, the black ring on top, which you'll have to tap around, they break very easy, so be very careful. Okay, thanks for watching and hope this has helped you out.